Hi everyone, let me show you how to increase the number automatically this row. For example, I have another new data. It will be automatically increase, for example, one another. Okay, how we do that? Okay, let's clear all this first. Let's have the number like that, and let me delete all this one. Okay, let's do the sequence formula. Okay. So this formula available in Excel 2024 and Excel 365. Okay. So here the trick row numbers, but this one we use count A. We count all the number that available here, but we don't know when we stop. So we just start B. B mean all end of the B. Just close it. Okay. So we got that, but our data is start from here, so it should be stop here, but it up to here because we count from here. So let minus 2 because we have 2 rows on top. So that's it. You see? Okay, this is the formula. So I have another number down here, number down here, number down here. Okay, so you got the idea. So here the formula. Let me show you right here, like this. Okay, here the formula. This is the formula. Okay, so we minus 2 because 2 row here. So whatever the number you keep increase, that I keep increase, the number automatically created. For example, if this row is deleted, the number is rearranged automatically. So no worry about the number problem or the any data problem or order something like that. Okay, hope you learned something from it though. See you next time.